Welcome to a world of creativity and comfort. Today we'll explore some of the most beautiful and trending bathroom design ideas for 2025. Whether you love modern style, cozy minimalism, or luxurious elegance, these ideas will help you design a bathroom that feels relaxing, stylish, and truly yours. Let's start with the modern bathroom design. Modern bathrooms focus on clean lines, smooth surfaces, and smart use of space. They often feature neutral colors like white, grey or beige with matte black or golden fittings. Big mirrors with LED lighting, walk-in showers with glass panels and floating vanities make the space look sleek and clutter-free. A modern bathroom is all about simplicity, balance and a touch of technology, stylish yet practical. Next we have the minimalist bathroom design, which is all about less is more. This style uses simple shapes, soft colors and natural materials. Think of light wooden textures, smooth stone basins, and small indoor plants that add a fresh feel. There's nothing extra, no heavy decoration, just a calm and clean space where you can truly relax. The minimalist design focuses on comfort, peace, and positive energy. Now let's talk about the luxury bathroom design. Luxury bathrooms are designed to make you feel like you're in a 5-star spa. They often use marble or quartz finishes, gold or brass fittings, soft lighting and large mirrors. Freestanding bathtubs, rainfall showers and scented candles create a sense of relaxation and richness. You can also add elegant wall lights, stylish storage and decorative plants for a complete premium look. If your home has limited space, the small bathroom design can still look amazing. For small spaces, use light colors like cream or soft grey to make the area feel bigger. Add a large mirror to reflect light and use glass partitions for the shower instead of solid walls. Floating sinks or wall-mounted toilets save space and make the bathroom look clean and open. Smart storage like under-sink drawers or wall shelves helps keep everything organized without clutter. For those who love a natural touch, there's the eco-friendly bathroom design. This design focuses on sustainability, using natural materials like wood, bamboo and stone. Add indoor plants for a green touch and use energy-saving LED lights. Choose water-efficient taps and shower heads. The combination of earthy textures and natural light creates a soothing and refreshing environment, perfect for nature lovers. Another popular trend is the smart bathroom design. Technology is changing the way we use our bathrooms. Smart mirrors with touch control, automatic taps, digital showers and motion sensor lights make life easier and more comfortable. Heated floors, Bluetooth speakers and mood lighting can make your bathroom feel like a modern paradise. Don't forget the aesthetic bathroom design, which focuses on beauty and vibe. Soft colors like pastel blue, blush pink or sage green, combined with warm lighting and elegant decor, make the bathroom feel cozy and trendy. Adding artwork, hanging lights and matching accessories gives your bathroom a personal touch and makes it Instagram-worthy. Finally, let's look at the spa-style bathroom design, one of the most relaxing trends. This design uses soft, warm lighting, stone or wooden textures and calm neutral shades. Add candles, diffusers and soft towels to complete the peaceful look. It's perfect for those who want their bathroom to be a space of relaxation and self-care after a long day. So whether your style is modern, minimalist, luxurious or natural, every bathroom can become a place of comfort and elegance with the right design choices. Remember, a great bathroom is not just about looks, it's about how it makes you feel every day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more modern home design inspiration.